In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload directly to YouTube in DaVinci Resolve. This is a quick and convenient feature that can save you time, especially when your edit is finished and you want to send it straight to YouTube without exporting the file manually first. If you're looking for a simple way to speed up your workflow, this built-in option makes the process very straightforward. Once your project is ready, go to the top right corner of DaVinci Resolve and click on Quick Export. This opens a small export window that gives you a few fast output options. Quick Export is designed for speed, so it's perfect when you want a simple upload process without going through all of the more advanced delivery settings. After the Quick Export window appears, look for the preset options and change the preset to YouTube. This tells DaVinci Resolve that you want to prepare the video specifically for a direct YouTube upload. Using the YouTube preset helps apply settings that are suitable for the platform, which can make the process easier and more reliable if you just want a clean, standard upload. From here, if you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to sign in to your YouTube account. DaVinci Resolve will prompt you to connect your account so it has permission to upload the video for you. Just follow the sign-in window and complete the login process. Make sure you're signing into the correct channel if you manage more than one account, since the video will be uploaded there directly. Once you're signed in, that's it. DaVinci Resolve can handle the upload directly from the export window, which means you can move from finished edit to published upload with fewer steps. It's a very useful option if you want convenience and don't need to separately save and upload the file on your own. One helpful tip is to take a quick moment before exporting to make sure your timeline is final, because direct upload is fastest when everything is already ready to go. It's also a good idea to confirm you're connected to the internet and logged into the right account before starting. That's the full process for uploading directly to YouTube in DaVinci Resolve. It's fast, simple, and built right into the program, making it a great option for creators who want a smoother publishing workflow.